Now look at that. It's amazing. I even made, oh my god. Welcome back to my channel where I'm watching my nephew today. So he's joining with me. Today I am doing a plan with me and a free printables crystals washi tape. You can print 2 pages per sheet. I have instructions in the link in the description box along with the printables that are in the description box. This is the other crystals printable that's in the link. This is 2 pages per sheet, 1 page per sheet. Make sure to hashtag Sunflower Child Doodles on Instagram if you use them. I'd love to see your work. Make sure to subscribe for more free printables. I'll be back next week. Here is my plan with me.
So I actually traced all of the crystals that I drew, as you can see on this paper that I printed out, and I'm actually going to also give you the link to that printable as well. I pretty much just combined a few images I found on the internet and condensed them onto one PDF page. So as you can see, I took this sparkly paper and I took my printout and I traced the crystal and I put medium pressure so it created a line on the back of this paper. And then I went over it again just to really kind of puncture it a little bit so that the lines were popping out of the page. So you can actually see the lines on the crystal paper. And then I cut it out, and for the left side, I wasn't really liking how it looked, so I cut it up a little bit more and just kind of moved them around a little bit until I decided that I liked them. Now the right side came out perfect. I didn't have to touch that one. So I actually somehow missed filming the title, but right here I show you how I do it. I just touch the 2 Crayola super tips together and I use the light one to write the word like so. See how I'm writing with the pink brush marker and it actually starts out as purple. That is a trick I love to use. It's very easy. And then I went over with my micron fine liner and I just made a shadow. So basically I went on each right side of the letter and a little bit of the bottom, and then I went in with a light gray Tombow pen on the black shadows that I made. So I made kind of like a double shadow. Look how cute these stickers are from Hobby Lobby. It went perfect with the paper that is on the bottom. And then I traced all of my crystals with a micron fine liner size 05. I actually didn't use any of my printables on this spread because it was kind of an after the fact thought. I had made this spread and then I figured why not make some crystals to go with it, some crystals printables. So I pretty much just made it for you guys, but I'm definitely going to be using the crystals printables at a later time. So I went in with my favorite Faber-Castell, I think they're called like gelato. They're like gel highlighters, but these ones are the metallics. And I will have the products that I used in the description box. And then I just used a bunch of stickers that I found from Hobby Lobby. I got all of these stickers, like I said, from Hobby Lobby, but they were for $1 for like 4 sheets of these crystals. So this was definitely my favorite sticker set from Hobby Lobby. And I do have a video of all my stationery that I'm going to be using throughout the year. And I'm definitely going to be posting a ton of more free printables and a lot of plan with me's for 2020. And then I used my nail washi from Amazon. It's actually meant for nails, but I like that really thin line to use in my spreads. And then I went in with my Tombow. I used a few different colors. I used like a gray and a very light purple. And then I just went back and forth until I was happy with how it looked. And I used my Crayola purple over the title. And I wanted to show you up close. Look at this on the right side. I ended up not drawing that in, but because I had traced it onto the paper and then I put the Faber-Castell over it, it left this really pretty invisible crystal. So I thought that was really cool to have in my spread, even though it was by accident. It turned out really cute. And this is my crystal collection. These are all the crystals that I have right now. I have like 2 more that I didn't write down, but I left some blank ones because I plan on getting a few more crystals throughout the year. Thanks for watching.
Say bye-bye.